And we still don't know what is the drama yesterday. I really don't know, right? We have been looking yesterday also, today also. Nobody really don't know what happened yesterday. And yesterday, US market was on a bull run. I think Dow was up more than 450 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything was fine. And even as I talk to you, Dow future is more than 140 points. Why unnecessary drama and creating panic? I don't know. Whether it is DAIs or FIIs or retail trader, we really don't know what was the drama yesterday. But if you think that bad things are over or there is not going to be any downside, you are wrong. There is more downside. So whatever things happen today is just to fool retailers. That is what FIIs are doing. Now, as I talk to you, even today, 20th, FIIs have sold more than 3,000 crores. So if you see this figure, around 3,900 crores FIIs have sold, and DAIs have bought more than 2,645 crores. Now, in spite of all these things, and you know the market, I don't have to talk briefly about the market. In spite of FII selling, DAs are always here to, they are acting as a buffer in the market, right? So whenever FII sell, DAs come and pump in money. So that is what, only the thing is, FIIs have sold very less. When you compare it with yesterday, I think yesterday around 5,800 crores and today around 3,000 crores. So almost half only they have sold. If they had sold like what they sold yesterday, market would have gone down. And surprisingly, HDFC Bank, after 9 to 8 trading session, today it ended up in the green. Not only HDFC Bank, HDFC Group, HDFC Life Insurance, even Infi was in the green. Reliance was up by 3%. So everything was in the green, surprisingly. So I was very surprised today. The way market moved, it was really very range bound. And yesterday I was seeing the open interest and there was literally no put rating. Today I can see some put rating at around 17,000. And hopefully they will take the market till 17,500. Then they will hit the button from there and they will bring it below 16,500. It is going to go to 16,500 in the short term. Now, yesterday's low, which is around 17,040 or 50, if that is taken out, and when it comes to Bank Nifty 36,000, if it is taken out, then we are sure Nifty hit 16,500. Next stop is 16,500. And people talk about many things. Yesterday, now they tell about Russia-Ukraine issue, which has intensified now. In spite of Russia putting so much pressure on Ukraine, still Ukraine is in negotiation with the NATO to join NATO forces. Still, that is not issue. That issue is not de-escalated. Still, it is in panic mode only. So Russia-Ukraine issue. Still, markets are range bound, and markets have recovered significantly. So, what does that mean? Is that news is not significant now. It is history. Everybody knows that nothing is going to happen. And you see what happened a few days back because of Russia-Ukraine issue. What a volatility in the market. And still we are stuck with that. This is how markets behave. Now they have forgotten Russia-Ukraine issue. Now they have come to COVID or some inflation, interest rate hike, that and this and all. They are talking. And even this, in spite of all this happening, in spite of 10-year bond yield going up, I told yesterday around 2.49%. 10-year bond yield has gone up to 2.49%. So that's a massive yield. So that should be one of the concern. But I was surprised yesterday when Dow market US futures was going on the upside, rallying on the upside. In spite of that also, SGX Nifty was not showing anything much on a positive note. So anyway, today it gapped up, and the best part is it sustained that gap up. Bank Nifty was not performing, but Nifty was highly performing. So if you see in a chart-wise pattern, so this is the chart, yeah. Yesterday's low around 17,000 is going to be a good support. Now, what do you think is going to happen? They may take it maximum 17,700 or 800, and they will bring it down. And if the market falls tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised. So that is how things are happening here. They sell whenever the market rises. So every time market goes on the upside, they sell heavily, and this is what is happening for the last 4 to 5 or 6 months. So this is new normal now, and if you see Nifty 17,000 should be the support, and if you see Bank Nifty 36,000, 26 was the low which was made on Bank Nifty yesterday, and that should be acting as a support. And India VIX also crashed today around 5.5%. So that's also good sign. At least till tomorrow, if we hold 17,000, we will be good. It is going to be good. And if you see the open interest area also, as I told you, this is where 17,000 call. People who had written 17,000 call, this is the main thing here. Whoever had written 17,000 call option, they had to run for cover, and 17,000 put has been written aggressively. So at least this is the weekly expiry open interest, that is tomorrow's open interest. At least the 17,000 should be respected till tomorrow. The reason I am saying is I have written 17,000 put option. So that is the main thing here, right? So that's why I am saying at least 17,000 should be respected, and 17,200 on the upside. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, as I told you, 36,000 is going to be the good support, and 36,500. Bank Nifty is at around 36,300. Even people are writing 36,500 call option in Bank Nifty, and as I told you, yesterday's low 36,000 is the going to be a good support. And I don't think there is any much news. Newses are always there, and markets will go up, down, everywhere. Highly volatile session, and even today I saw in Twitter many traders they didn't make money because of this they tell this is high volatile, but I was not seeing any volatility today. Of course, it was in a range of around 100 and 150 points, but it is okay, it is good. But as I told you in the earlier part of this video, if you think the worst is over, it is not. You have to remember that, and markets are likely to go on the downside. So that is what I am expecting. So whenever this is happening for the last, and we have been observing this for the last 4 or 5 months, whenever the market goes up, they sell heavily, and that is what is going to happen this time also. So they are just waiting for the markets to go up, and they will sell heavily, and they will break the lower low. So that is the new normal now. And everything else is fine. And as I told you, US futures are all in the green, and tomorrow hopefully we should gap up by around 100 points. 17,200 tomorrow is an area which we have to observe. If that is taken out, we'll see how things are going to span or work out. So that's it for today. Another 1 week to go for this April series to finish. Let's hope for the best. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.